Welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial update on Instagram that allows you to take control over who can tag you in posts. If you're tired of random tags cluttering your feed, this guide will show you exactly how to prevent unwanted tags on Instagram using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account in your web browser. Simply log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. This icon resembles three horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This section is where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. After entering Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Tags and Mentions. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on Tags and Mentions, you'll see a section titled Who Can Tag You. By default, this setting allows tags from everyone, which can lead to unwanted notifications and posts featuring you without your consent. To change this, simply select the option that says Don't Allow Tags. This will effectively prevent anyone from tagging you in their posts or stories. It's important to note that managing your tags is not just about reducing notifications. It's also about maintaining your privacy and controlling your online presence. By limiting who can tag you, you ensure that only trusted friends or followers can include you in their content. After making these adjustments, take a moment to review other settings related to mentions as well. You may want to apply similar restrictions there to further enhance your privacy. Now that you've set everything up, you're ready to enjoy a cleaner and more controlled Instagram experience. Remember, it's your profile, and you have the power to decide who gets to tag you. Thank you for joining me today. If this tutorial helped you reclaim your Instagram space, consider sharing it with friends who might benefit as well. Happy Instagramming!